everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you some home decor DIY projects that I've been doing around my house. With the help of my handyman PJ, we were able to remake some mirror picture frames that I have, and also I want to share with you guys some new furniture that I just purchased. You guys are gonna love it. So if you want to see how we did this for less than $2 for each frame, stay tuned. So guys, I have these picture frames mounted on the wall, one on each side of my breakfast bar. Now the one that's right here by the door has a picture of my son in it when he graduated high school. The other one has the picture that it came with still in it because my daughter was supposed to go and take pictures to put in her frame, but she never did it. So I totally forgot about it. I bought these picture frames from Home Goods about 2-3 years ago, and they were $24.99 a piece. Well, I'm always looking to do a DIY project, and I thought, hey, I know what to do just to make these pictures pop and look good in my living room. So Home Goods no longer has them, but Wayfair does. And as you can see, the Lillian mirror frames are at Wayfair for $31.99. And just make sure that you get the 16 by 20 frames. So guys, I stopped by this store called FedEx Kinko's, and basically it's a Federal Express drop off and pick up location, and also they do design and print. They do poster boards, canvases, business cards, the whole 9 yards. And they also have a place where you can sit and work on a computer and print or design yourself. Well, I googled some images with red flowers that I thought I would like, and then I had them print them out for me. Now the difference between them printing them out and me printing them out was that they have the paper, the photo paper that you can print out on. Now they don't call it photo paper. How they call it like a heavy cardstock with a matte gloss finish. And these are the pictures that I googled and I emailed them to them, and when I got there they printed them out. You will not believe, guys, each one of these pictures, and they are basically the 8 by 10 pictures. Each one of these were $1.90 each to print. Yes. Now you have to be careful, because if it's a picture that's copyrighted and it's for professional use only, they won't print it out. But because I've been going to this particular one for so long, they actually will accommodate me from time to time. But yeah, look at all the great pictures that I had to choose from. These, again, I picked them out myself and just had them print them for me. And for $2, oh my God, you cannot go wrong. Now guys, be careful, because sometimes they have this little writing in the corner which copyrights them. So be careful, because it will mess up using them in your picture frame. Pretty picture, but I can't use it. So the Chanel bottle with the pink flowers is beautiful. Also, I did a couple quotes by Coco Chanel. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. Now, the reason why you're seeing pink is because I'm gonna spring up the house and add some pink accents. So actually, those red pictures are gonna be swapped out real soon. Now these I fell in love with. I absolutely love these cartoonish like pictures of Coco Chanel or Audrey Hepburn, I should say. And I am going to frame these up for the girls. Remember, my great nieces are always coming to the house, so I think I'm going to find a wall and frame these in different frames and yeah, put them up for them. So I have all these pictures left, and all I have to do is frame them up, and I can place them all around the house. And you guys can do the same thing. Just find a picture on Google that you love. Make sure in the description, if you're looking for red flowers, that you say red flowers background HD. You want HD pictures so they're vibrant. So putting the pictures in the frames are really easy. The only thing I needed PJ for was to make sure that they were straight. And so we got them in there and he mounted them on the wall for me. And the rest is history. Another project that I'm working on, guys, that I'm so excited about, I purchased these two ottomans from Walmart. Oh my God, can you believe it? I got them from Walmart for $90 a piece. Yes, $90 a piece. I was able to find these. They are the exact same color as my furniture. They are the exact same material, and I am so in love with them. I purchased them on March the 9th, and they were here by March 14th. Really quick delivery. I'm really pleased with them. I love the construction of them. I love the fact that I got the nail head, the studded trim. That really set it off so beautiful. So I cannot wait to style these. I have some pillows that I'm going to be putting on top of them, and I have another surprise for you guys because there's something that is going to go in between these two ottomans. Also, there's something that's going to go on the wall between these two ottomans. So stay tuned for that. And so now this is how it all turned out. I'm loving the black and white striped vase with my home decor on this picture, and I love the beautiful flower in this one. Guys, this project cost me less than $2 for each picture. My next project is going to be doing something with the walls in the hallway and this little corner area. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share the video. Bye, guys.